Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again. Sorry, what the hell? With another video, recap video. So yeah, I passed my funded evals again, and after so long of going back and forth, I put up like $700 on there on each of those accounts. Um, so yeah, the trade that I took uh, really didn't take anything on these at first. Like, look at this, like $85. I was in longs here, and then I got a little cold feet, and which was good because actually it went up here. You know what I mean? It went up like 10 points. I was in, I mean, I I moved my stop to break even. Okay. And, worked out well for me because I thought we were just going to go back down to VWAP because that's what we've been doing. Look at this. Like, after this red candle printed, I was like, okay, I think we're just going to go down here because, for some reason, we're just, we're just in, pretty high resistance conditions, which makes sense because, we've been selling for the past 3 days, like, incredibly. So we're almost 1,000 points away, I think, from where we started. So yeah, and then after that, I $85, and then I tried again, bought here, and it worked out again, but I moved my stop, and I don't know why I didn't lock it. You know what I mean? So there's that, and then after that, I just went on MNQs, and I just took some scalps, took like 2 scalps, and I met my profit target for the day, and I was good. I don't need to rush. I think tomorrow I'm gonna start off with these accounts first so I can get some better plays in. You know what I mean? So let's go to my top step. Top step, I made $350 today, and then I locked myself out. Yeah, I'm only $370 away from passing. So yeah, that's good. After I, crashed out and burned these accounts a week or two ago, I'm finally back up here again. With the new evals, doing better this time. Let's go to my performance. So yeah, overtraded on this day. Had big losses and then like made it back up, and then doing better on doing better this week. you know so yeah, 2 trades, 1 trade, 5 trades, little too much, but it's better. Average losing trade 951. That's just from this day where I lost like $2,000, I think, just full porting and wanting to pass. So getting better at that, but still coming out with a 15 wins and 3 losses so far on these accounts. So that's not bad. Not bad. I have a list of rules written and, on my wall. And yeah, I read it every morning. And, I've been avoiding like overtrading. What the fuck? There we go. And then I've been, what is going on here? And then I've been avoiding overtrading. But what is all this? It like reset or something? Draft? Default? What the hell? It didn't used to be like this. Manage. I just want account name, open account balance. That's all I need. There we go. So yeah. Doing good on these accounts. I can't wait to get them activated tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood that I pass it tomorrow. Just need another $370. I might even take it slower. I might lower my thing down for 280 and do it in 2 days. But we'll just have to see. I don't need to rush it. I have so many more weeks to make this $370. I started it last 21st. So I have 1, 2, 7, 12, 12, 17, 16. Like if I pass in 16 days to just make $360. So yeah, I'm not going to rush too much on those. So basically the trade that I took here was the break of the 15-minute 15-minute range. And, worked out pretty well because I caught some longs here at around the 650 area, and then it was shot up, and yeah, it was good. I was kind of scared because I was in some drawdown, and I didn't want to get farther and farther away because look at this. This was like $300, $400 worth of drawdown, and I was like, oh my god, now I'm like fucking at the halfway point again, pretty much, because I started out at like 2,200. So I was like, oh my god, this can't be happening, So my mental was pretty messed up, and I think that's mainly what led me to like not take some of these trades because by the time I was focusing on these accounts, like look at this perfection though, every time, like this one, every time I was just scared to take a trade, you know what I mean? So and then I let go of my opportunities, and then I was taking some like stupid shit later on in the middle of the range. So yeah, I think, I don't know, the pressure is really getting to me. Pushing these accounts to pay out and all that, like resetting all the time. I'm just done with that, So now I'm just a little more hesitant and to do it. So it's gonna be okay though. It's gonna be okay. I just need to, trust in myself and size down if I have to, not trade a mini. So yeah, and then finally we get to the bull knocks. I have 3 funded accounts with bull knocks now. My profit target was $300 on the day, and yeah, there's just a grand right there. I need to do this for I think 10 winning days with bull knocks, and once I get above my trailing drawdown, I can withdraw. So yeah, that's good. I like it better than Apex. Because the evaluations are so cheap, you can just, pass them. I passed these in like a day, and then I just full ported, and just full ported a bounce off VWAP, I think, or something, or rejection. I don't even know. I think we were breaking down yesterday. So I just caught some shorts. So, past 3. You could only have 3 at a time, so you buy 3. And then you pass it, and then you need to meet the trailing drawdown. You need to make at least $2,500 on one of these accounts, at least one of these accounts. And once you do that, you can activate 3 more, So you can have up to 11 accounts with bull knocks. I don't know why 11. It's an odd number. 10 would have been nice. 12 would have been nice, But they allow 11. So yeah, I'm going to work on these super slowly, just $300 a day. I don't have to pay for these accounts ever again, so I just want to keep these accounts as safe as possible. Only take like very minimal trades, and I'm not going to be sad if I don't trade on these every day, but I do want to do well on my MFF and get it pushed to live. That is my ultimate goal. And currently, I'm 2 green days out of 30 to achieve that. I just wanted to get the winning day, you know what I mean? $106. $300 is good for me, and then it's not even 300. I made 900 here, so that's $1,200 on the day. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this recap. Just taking it really, really slow. I do not want to blow up, and yeah, I think live streaming is really going to help with that. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I need to start live streaming. I don't know why I haven't been. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye.